This video is all about my road journey, Jeddah to Dubai, a long drive filled with adventure, beautiful roads, and unforgettable memories. Actually, when I was planning my trip to UAE, I couldn't find any genuine or updated videos that clearly explain the route, border process, or the document required. So, I decided to create this video to share my full experience and help anyone who is planning the same trip. Here in this map I will show the route I choose. I started my journey from Jeddah past Makkah and Taif, where I took a small coffee break, then drove through Riyadh, Al-Kharj all the way to Al-Batah border before entering Abu Dhabi and finally Dubai. Vehicle inspection and maintenance is very important before you start. And please make sure you should boost yourself with the coffee whenever you feel tired. On the way, you will be lucky to see trains from Saudi Railway Eastern region. Also, you will witness the longest straight road in Middle East, which is around 250 km approx. Now, let's talk about the border process and what documents you needed at the Saudi border checkpoint. I prepared all my necessary papers, our passport, the vehicle registration which is Timara in Arabic, driving license and insurance document. At immigration booth, the officer checked everything and he directed us to passport control where we received our exit stamp just like when you are traveling by air. After that, a quick vehicle inspection was done and we are cleared to exit Saudi Arabia. On UAE side, the immigration officer verified our visas and complete the entry process. Another vehicle inspection followed and after that I head towards the passport control where they stamped my passport at UAE immigration. And then in last I purchased UAE vehicle insurance which cost about 210 dirhams. And once that was done, we are officially entered to UAE, United Arab Emirates. That's how my amazing road journey from Jeddah to Dubai went, smooth and full of great memories. If you are planning to drive from Saudi Arabia to UAE, I hope this video will help you a lot. Drive safe, enjoy the road and make every mile memorable. Please follow me for more travel stories from Saudi Arabia and beyond. Thank you for watching.